Hi Shubham, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Am I audible clearly?
Yeah, you're clearly audible. And today we are very excited to have a conversation with you. And I have gone through your profile. You're really helping people. So we will be discussing about everything. So let's start with you. Where are you from, and little bit about the qualification part.
I'm basically from Nasik, Maharashtra, and I currently shifted to Pune. So, just for the startup. So, what we did was during the lockdown, I visited my cousin in Pune, Suraj. He's the co-founder of Minions. And we
Okay.
had to wash our own plates. We had to clean the house ourselves. I asked him, why is the maid not coming or why is the cook not here? So it's like the society
Hmm.
secretary hasn't allowed them to enter the society due to COVID reasons. So I'm like,
Hmm.
so
Yeah.
let's find something online. Then we tried to search other apps too, but there's no service which provides online maids or cooks. So that's where we
Hmm.
started with our R&D. We started with our research. We did a research for like at least 2 months and before starting the operations. So currently we are serving around 122 plus families from Pune, Indore, Nasik, and Delhi. And we are starting
Hmm.
our operations in Hyderabad, Kolkata, Bangalore, and Surat soon.
Amazing, amazing. So, Shubham, you have made a platform which is named as Minions, and you are providing services. Like, if I say, which kind of services? Can you name them? Like, I know about the maids and cooks. What else?
Okay, so our app is under development right now, which will be launched in the month of November. I guess mostly in the first week of November, we are planning to launch the app,
Okay,
and which will be having more than 80 services. So the services like
okay, amazing.
on-call doctors or the key makers, the scrap collectors, anything you need at your
Hmm.
place, at your home, every service will be available. From if you don't want to send your kids to the tuitions, you can hire a home tutor
Hmm.
from our app. You can get a photographer, a wedding planner, a event planner, or even we have services like CAs, lawyers, and CS, any professional you need for your IT returns filing
Hmm.
or anything such that uh, we have services on our app for that.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. So, can you tell us, like, little bit, like, how did you see this idea came into mind in lockdown period? Like, you have recently
Yeah.
started in the lockdown.
Mhm.
Perfect. So, what was the next part after the R&D? Like, how did you correct your teams? We want to know about like how many people are currently working with you.
So currently there are 65 maids and cooks working along with us, and there are around 10 babysitters all over Pune working with us.
Okay,
We started with
amazing.
babysitters recently because we saw people were requesting us to get some because babysitters is one thing wherein they are much more careful about because their kids and
Yeah.
everything comes over there. So yeah, people are much more careful about that. And when we are providing this all services along with sanitization, verification, and say, in a safe
Hmm.
environment to these people. So yeah, it's easy for them to accept us, easy for them to accept these people who weren't even on their list before. So what happened
Hmm.
was uh, I called up my old maid during this COVID
Hmm.
times. I'm like, hey, Didi, aap kahan pe ho? Why aren't you coming? So she's like, I have
Hmm.
shifted back to my hometown. She started crying on the phone itself that lockdown में ऐसा हो गया हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है. And these people really earn for a day. They don't even earn for a month or a
Hmm.
week or something like that. They earn for a day and they don't have savings or something like that. So when we
Right.
started Minions, we started with the concept that providing these people with a corporate identity. Just like any other
Hmm.
corporate or IT guys working in any company, the same we have same label we want to implement on these people, so that
Hmm.
people see them
Amazing.
with another level of respect now. Whenever our
Hmm.
now we frequently have calls with our maids, cooks who are working, and we ask them, is there any difference? You were working earlier, you are working now. So they are like, हाँ अभी
Hmm.
जो कस्टमर्स है वो हमें मैडम करके पुकारते हैं या फिर सर करके पुकारते हैं. And that
Hmm.
was the biggest achievement I felt. I was like, wow, this is where we want to bring them. This is the level we want to get them to.
Right. Right. I think yeah, respect is very important these days. You have to give respect because in this pandemic also
Yeah.
the guys are reaching to us, helping us. Especially if I talk about the delivery wala, all the boys and everything, they are working really, really hard. Even the kids don't care about their family and everything. They are, providing services to us. So, like when you tried to reach out, like every particular need or something, like what was the struggle time you faced? Like what was the problem coming or something if you want to share with your audience?
So the biggest problem we weren't facing, we are facing. So I would love to change
Hmm.
that phrase that we are still struggling with these things. So basically the thing is like these maids or these cooks, they are a bit illiterate about technology. They are not well aware about the
Right.
technology, and it's really difficult for them to make understand what we are doing. So
Hmm.
when we speak to them, we literally speak like जैसे आपने देखा है ना कि लोग फोन से पिज्जा ऑर्डर करते खाना ऑर्डर करते उसी तरह अभी लोग फोन से बाई ऑर्डर कर पाएंगे. So
Hmm.
we have to like literally be them talking to them. We have to be in their space while talking to them. That's where they get
Hmm.
a trust. They believe us in something. And currently, the market isn't that suitable for accepting us. Not the market, actually, the maids aren't that easy to accept us. They aren't taking it so well. So
Right.
yeah, that's the issue we are facing. Otherwise, customers are happy to have us. We are going great with our pace. We literally are doing like 10% traction currently from the first day we started, more than 10%
Hmm.
eventually. And we are expanding to other cities as well. It's not just that we are
Hmm.
doing it in Maharashtra or the people of Maharashtra. No,
Hmm.
we are doing it for the people of India, everyone, because this is a big market. And this is totally scattered market. There's nothing like एक ही जगह पर सब मिल जाएगा. You have to roam around. You have to be on your feet to find these people. You have to enter their colonies. You have to enter their houses, even sometimes for getting the verification done. So these things we are facing a bit struggle, but yeah, it's going all right.
Amazing, amazing. So what about the investment part? Like you guys invested your money or like it's currently bootstrapped, right? It's not funded or
Yes,
you are looking for funds something.
we are looking for funds. We have been pitching to investors currently, but the market is so low. It's just today's news 23.9% fall of GDP. So market
Hmm.
is too low. Investors aren't investing much, and we have bootstrapped our amounts. We have bootstrapped
Hmm.
me and Suraj equally for this thing.
Okay. Amazing, amazing. So, tell us about your family. Like, when you, tell us like you are doing these kinds of things and you are providing a model to this. Was it supportive or like what was the experience with them?
So actually, there's a funny story behind this. So my dad is a
Hmm.
businessman. So in Nashik, he has his business since around 20 years now. And one thing he changed in his business around 15 years back because he was going into losses. So he changed one thing. He just changed his employees. Firstly, he was employing all the male employees. Then
Hmm.
he changed it to female employees, and the profit started growing. The things became more like the what we can say the uh, damages became low, the safety became better when we employed women. And that's
Hmm.
what my dad told me that, see, it's difficult to make them understand at the first, but they are the best people who can do this thing. What they can work better than men over here.
Hmm. Hmm.
So yeah, that's the thing. And my family is currently highly supportive for this thing because I am pursuing my MBA. I haven't completed my studies yet. So I'm pursuing
Okay.
my MBA, and before this, I was into events, and due to lockdown, entire market collapsed. The events market.
Hmm.
We aren't allowed to do events right now, or we won't
Hmm.
be allowed for next 1 year as well because 100 is the capacity, and we know that with 100 people we can't do events. So
Hmm.
then we started this thing, and yeah. So family is supportive. People outside world is even supportive to us. They are understanding the
Hmm.
problem. The society we are staying in Pune right now. So we met the chairman first, and he loved the idea. He loved it so much that he allowed us to have a monopoly over here in the society in this building.
Amazing.
So he said,
Great.
okay, you can provide maids and cooks, but just keep in mind the sanitation, and that's our USP that we are providing the safest way possible for these households.
Yeah. And talking about the revenue model, so are you taking how you are creating, because there should be some commission based or something, is
Yes.
there you have added in this?
So we try to provide more wage than what they were earning previously. So, for example, if a maid was earning 1,000 rupees previously, we are trying to provide them 1,500. And above
Hmm.
1,500, then comes our commission and then taxes and all that. And that's where we finalize the price for these things.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And apart
I
from
think
commissions,
yeah.
when we launch our app, there will be lead services. The services like I told you, CA, lawyers, and these things. So they'll buy a subscription for from us for a certain amount, and furthermore, then we'll provide them leads for that.
Okay, amazing. So, what about like in this? How did you do the marketing part? Because I believe in this, the mouth to mouth publicity also works.
Yes,
Like
it's
अगर
the
एक
only
मेड
thing
मान गई
currently
तो उनके
working.
सारे यूनिटी हाँ मान जाते हैं फिर. So, like
So
how did
word
you
of mouth,
choose?
yeah. So word of mouth is the only thing that's currently giving us 100% conversion. The customers who have
Hmm.
taken services from us, they are referring to other people as well. For example, my mom. So first maid came to my house itself, wearing the apron and
Hmm.
all that in Nasik. So when this thing happened, she became excited and she started telling the neighbors about this, that this my son is doing this online, and neighbors started accepting us. Then the
Hmm.
entire building started having our maids and cooks over there, and this way the word of mouth publicity is major. And other things we are doing is on ground marketing, wherein pamphleting or social media integration and all these things are done by us. But
Hmm.
that's not a big conversion. The major conversion is word of mouth publicity.
I think amazing. So, like, what about expanding? You are thinking about the expanding. So, which city you have right now chosen and started working with them?
So Indore is currently we are operating in Indore, Delhi, Nasik, Pune was the first city we started, and apart from that, we are now closing deals with Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Surat, and we are trying to enter Odisha market, but currently due to the flood scenes, we aren't able to
Hmm.
connect with them so properly. But soon we'll be in Odisha also.
Okay, what about NCR? Like, why not NCR you have covered?
We are Delhi NCR. We are there.
Yeah. Okay,
The
okay,
regional manager
amazing.
of Delhi, he also handles the NCR part.
Okay, amazing, amazing. So I think perfect. I think you are doing such a very unique and very work which can help the people, especially the maids. Basically, we don't think about the maids, how they will, get online and everything. We thought like, they are not that much educated, so how they can use the technology and everything. I think it's
Yeah.
not easy to make them understand, but you have made a platform and people are getting digitalized and, understanding and also getting employed, the most important thing. So I think like when you started and till then, like you are employing how many people as of now, like totally
65. They are working. 65 are
65.
currently working.
Okay, so are
We
you
are
guys
trying to
also
employ
hiring
more.
in your team?
Yes, we are hiring in our teams. Likewise, what happened was there's this guy Akash from Indore. So he approached us that he had same idea. He wanted to implement it in Indore. So we were like,
Hmm.
why not do it with us? You wanted to do
Hmm.
it in Indore, you do it in Indore. Be a part of Minions. You'll be the regional manager for that place. And the same way it's expanding overall. So every city
Yeah.
which we are taking in, so the localites over there who face these problems or who wanted to be a part of this or who wanted to create this on their own, so they are the
Hmm.
regional managers for Minion right now.
Amazing, amazing. So I think we have 28 states, and in 5 years or 2 years, you will cover the whole India, and
Yes, that's the
future
plan.
expanding as well. Yeah, amazing. I think you have a great energy and great potential, and you are reaching out the best people in the market. So I think amazing. And from our team, wish you all the very best. And Shubham, thanks for your time and giving us the precious insights about your company and everyone. So we will be publishing this video, and most of the people who are not aware about the Minions can get an idea. And if you want to also collaborate with you, then they can definitely. Can you please DM your comment like in the comment box your ID so that people can get.
Surely.
Yeah.
I'll share my mail ID directly, and I'll also share my Instagram.
So
Yeah, I don't
everyone who is
remember my
watching,
Insta.
please have a look on the at shubham@memes.in. If you want to do something like this, you can connect him. You can apply in your city as we discussed. So thanks a lot, Shubham, and all the very best again. And
Thank you
stay
so
safe,
much
stay
for
healthy,
having
keep
me
growing.
here. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay,
It was such a pleasure. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.